Hey, yo, last night was crazy. Yeah, I was a part of a snow case. Let me showcase.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this.
We icy.
Yeah, player, your boy was all up in these streets, all up in it. It was a blizzard storm.
Yo, I did alright out here, player, for real, for real. I think low-key, the idea that a snow was covering the whole house, it kind of like covered the nooks and crannies, had it furnacy in this thing.
I would go outside and show you the outside of my vehicle, but I ain't trying to be no snowman. No.
I just want to let you know I slept through a snowstorm, player. And the factimonials is my 0-degree sleeping bag, it be the truth.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this. FaDuKiT.